Good afternoon, dear children. As you all know that we are on chapter means of communication. And in our last session we had covered interpersonal communication and mass communication. Interpersonal communication means transfer of information from one person to other person verbally or non-verbally or visually. And mass communication means the transfer of information from to a large number of people through a medium and at the same time. Today we will do the details of mass communication. Mass communication is imparted to the masses, means large number of people via media. Means media is the means of mass communication. It is a main means of mass communication. Now let's see what are the different types of media. Types of media. Media is a singular word and its plural form is medium. Now this media is of four types. First is print media, second is broadcast media, third is outdoor or out of home media, and fourth is internet. Now let's discuss in detail about these four types. The oldest media forms are newspapers, magazines, journals, newsletters, and other printed material. These publications are collectively called as print media. So the most common forms of print media, as we have discussed, so we will take two out of them, newspapers and magazines. Newspaper is a major source of information for a large number of readers. It may be national or local, daily or weekly newspaper. And it gives detailed coverage of news and other information with interesting features for readers. It is available to masses or to people, large number of people, at a very low cost. Means it is very reasonable form of means of communication. Coming to another print media, magazine. A magazine is a specialized advertising media that serves educational information, entertainment and other specialized needs of consumers, businesses and industries. It presents detailed ad message along with photos, illustrations, colors, etc. And like newspapers, magazines can be local, regional, national or weekly or monthly or quarterly basis. Broadcast media. Broadcasting means distribution of audio or video content to a dispersed audience, means to large number of people who are living in different places all over the world via any electronic medium like television or radio. Television is a telecommunication medium used for transmitting moving colored images in 2 or 3 dimension and with sound. It is chiefly used, means it is mainly used to broadcast programs for entertainment, information and education. It has become a commonplace in many household, businesses and institutions nowadays. Radio is also one of the broadcast media. Rather, it is a prime mass medium for users and advertisers, and radio has come into existence as a broadcast medium much before television, and it has widespread reach, and it also delivers the ad messages and to large number of people across the length and breadth of country. While traveling in car, you feel connected to the world through FM radio, isn't it? And through FM radio, you get many informational things, and you get entertained, and you're able to hear to interviews of great personalities also. So it is also one of the medium which helps us to get connected with the world. Outdoor media. It is used as supportive medium by advertisers. It includes billboards, hoardings, neon sign, posters, etc. or electronic messages also. It is useful when introducing a new product or to generate sale. Billboards, in both its form, digital and traditional, are an effective way of business advertisements, and they are designed to catch a person's attention and create memorable impression very quickly, leaving the reader thinking about the advertisement after they have driven past it. Movies and cinema is a popular source of entertainment, and it is also one of the outdoor media comprising of audience from all classes or group of society. Films are watched by significant number of people every day. The neon sign boards are one of the most popular and attractive media of advertisement, widely used by industrial and commercial firms to popularize their product among general public. Coming to next type of media, that is internet. It is a worldwide medium that provides means of exchanging information through a series of interconnected computers. The internet carries many applications and services. Most prominently, the World Wide Web, that is WWW, including social media, electronic mail, that is email, mobile applications, multiplayer online games, file sharing, and streaming media services. It is accessible, means internet is accessible to anyone with a computer or smartphone and broadband and net connection. Here are some of the popular social media sites along with their icons, which are very popular among people these days, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Skype, Snapchat, YouTube, Pinterest, and so on.